We will have 2 points somewhere. Maybe they are there and there. And if we look at those 2 points and we want to say, I want to find a point whose distance to there plus distance to there equals 10. So maybe we find a point here which has a distance to this point of 5 and a distance to that point of 5. Okay? So the sum of the 2 distances is 10. Maybe we have a point down here somewhere. And the distance there is 8, but the distance to there is only 2. With me here? Yeah. We'll have some that are 6 and 4, and some that are 7 and 3, and some that are 5.5 and 4.5, and stuff like that. And when we put all those points together, guess what it's going to look like?
Oval.
Circle.
It looks something like that. It's like somebody sat on a circle. Okay? These 2 points are called foci. Foci is the plural of focus. So with a parabola we had a focus. In an ellipse we have 2 focuses, also known as foci. In the middle, in between the foci, there's a point right here, which is called the center. I know, shocking.
Hopefully.
There will be a segment, which is not officially part of the ellipse, that will have an endpoint on the ellipse. It'll go through both foci and the center, and have another endpoint on the other end of the ellipse. And that segment is called the major axis. We will have another segment that is perpendicular to the major axis and goes through the center. And you'll never guess what that's called.
Minor axis.
That is called the minor axis. We could have an ellipse that looks like this. We could also have an ellipse that looks like this. It's more diagonal. I don't want diagonal. Pretty terrible, but it's okay. Would you consider this ellipse a vertical ellipse or a horizontal ellipse?
Horizontal.
This is horizontal and this one is?
Vertical.
Okay, that's the way I look at it too. In this case, the major axis is horizontal, which makes it a horizontal ellipse. Okay. In this one, the major axis is vertical. And we will still have the foci